Concrete cleaning. This is the front of a beautiful precast concrete office building. Here, we are using 250-degree hot water at a low pressure, removing the outside layers of the contamination. Not only very unsightly, the heavy contamination staining is detrimental to the concrete. Here, we are applying a biodegradable, environmentally safe, low pH concrete cleaner. We're using a Hudson sprayer to saturate the concrete, and then we allow the chemical to dwell, normally for around 7 or 8 minutes, but for the film we're going a little bit quicker. Now our cleaning technician scrubs the surface, agitating, loosening up any of the contamination. Now it's time to do a little hand scrubbing. You can see in this final rinse, a lot of contamination still comes off.